Hi, I'm Amy, and today I'm going to teach you about the fridge. The fridge. It's perfect for making ice-cold drinks like the one shown here. Perfect. The fridge. With opening doors. Perfect. The fridge. The best hiding spot for hide and seek. Perfect. It's great to keep all your food in, but it has other uses too. For example, a seat. It can also be used to store your video games. Perfect. Can also be used to store your kettle. What a shame.
My kettle doesn't fit.
Buy the all-new fridge and you'll get some free eggs. Comes with a free picture of Amy enjoys pancakes as a baby. She's so disgusting looking. The all-new fridge. Buy one now while stocks last.